guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you all what is in my diaper bag. I am 8.5 months in this thing called motherhood, and you guys always ask me what I have in my diaper bag for Valerie. I have definitely simplified my diaper bag a lot over the course of the past 8.5 months because it used to be so full of stuff, just stuff that I heard I needed in my diaper bag, and I pretty much never touched any of it. So I have gotten rid of all the unnecessary stuff, and all that's in here is what I use on a daily basis with Valerie. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. First things first, my diaper bag is by Fawn Design, and I love it, y'all. I use it all the time. My husband uses it all the time. Like, it's pretty much our go-to bag. Even though he has a bag of his own, we always pretty much use this one. It is so convenient, and I just love it. Like, I love the color, love the material. I just love everything about it. And I can go from a backpack style with the 2 straps to a 1 shoulder bag using a separate clip that I can just attach to the sides right here. It makes it so easy and convenient. So the first thing I have in my bag is a bottle of water. I always have one of these in Valerie's bag because I use this to mix with her formula, and she loves water. She will sit there and drink water out of the water bottle, and I always want for her to drink purified water. So I'll either have a fresh water bottle or I'll just fill it up with purified water. So when I open the bag up, the first thing I have are burp cloths. I always have 2 because baby spit up, Valerie spits up, and I like to make sure I can clean her mess up nice and easy. So I always have 2 burp cloths. These are cloth diapers, but I use them as burp cloths, so I have 2 of these at all time. I also have a baggie with a change of clothes because you have poop explosions, there's spit up messes, there's like lots of things that could happen with their baby's clothes. So I always have a change of clothes in her bag. And in here I just have a long sleeve onesie because it is cold outside. So I have that. I also have an extra bib, and let's see, a change of pants and a pair of socks because sometimes she'll just sit there and eat her socks and they become really like nasty and wet. So I'll change her socks whenever she does that. But I always like to have at least 1 pair of clothes like to change into if something happens. Next up, I have some disposable changing pads. I actually used to use the portable regular changing pads where you just wipe them down, but the idea of just continuously using a diaper pad and having to wipe it down and using it in a public restroom just disgusted me, and I didn't like having to worry about germs for Valerie. So instead of using that, I have started to use disposable pads. It is a little bit pricier, but I have much more of a peace of mind using these bad boys. I have, let's see, 4 of these in my bag. I'll just use it whenever necessary, and then if I need to add more to the bag, I'll just add more later on. I also have a bag with their Steiner diapers and wipes. So in this little baggie here, I have a travel size of Honest wipes, and I also have 4 or 5 diapers for Valerie. We use the Pamper Swaddlers. Those have been our go-to since she was first born, and they have not let us down yet. So we are still using those. And I keep the wipes and diapers in this little baggie here because it just keeps things much more organized. Honestly, y'all, this bag is like mainly snacks and just food because Val loves to eat. If y'all follow our vlog channel, The Williams Way, you guys know that Valerie loves food. She could eat all day if she could. So I have a little squeezy pack here. It's the Organics Happy Baby bananas, raspberry, and oats meal. She loves this. She loves pretty much anything with fruit or vegetables. She'll eat pretty much anything. So she can just eat this whenever she gets hungry on the go. I also have one of her favorite snacks, which is the Happy Baby, the Organic Happy Baby Organic Teethers. And they are the gentle teething wafers in the flavor sweet potato and banana. She tears these up, y'all, so we have to have these for her at all times. Even at home, we have to have these all the time. We also have 2 jars of her favorite snacks as well. This jar here has the Gerber Baby puffs. She loves those. I believe this flavor is the strawberry and apple, but she will pretty much eat all the flavors that there is. And then in this jar here is the Gerber yogurt melts. She just started to love these recently, so we've always had these since then, and she eats them when we're out. So we have all those snacks for her, so she has a ton of different options. and she will eat all these and still want more afterwards. Your girl can eat. Of course, I have to have a bottle for her, so I do go ahead and fill up a bottle with 6 ounces worth of formula, and then I will mix 6 ounces of the water in this bottle whenever we are out, so it makes it much more easier to deal with, and she is good to go. This is a Similac Pro Advanced formula, and the bottles that we use are the Medela bottles. It says 5 ounces on here, but you can easily put 6 ounces in here, so we just do that and it works out just great for us. I also have a pack of Clorox disinfecting wipes and also a pack of wet ones, which are antibacterial wipes for your hands. Yes, I am that mom, but I do not play when it comes to germs. So if we are at a restaurant and she's touching on the tables and the chairs, or if we are like, you know, running errands and she's sitting in a shopping cart, I always wipe everything off with the Clorox wipe, and then afterwards I'll wipe her hands off with the antibacterial wipes. I also have this container. This container here was bought on Amazon, and it's just a small convenient way of carrying an extra pacifier and also the nipple to the Medela bottle whenever she wants to drink a bottle. This was actually my husband's idea, but I'm so glad he thought of it because it has been a lifesaver. I also have a little emergency bag, and in here is just the what ifs. So I have a chest rub, which we have used on multiple occasions, and it also has a medicine dropper, a nose sucker, and a thermometer, and nail clippers, which we have used multiple times with Valerie. So I always have that with me at all times. I do carry boogie wipes in my bag as well. We have been using the boogie wipes since Valerie was first born, but we have been using them so much more now that it is so cold outside because her nose, y'all, can get pretty crazy. The saline in these boogie wipes definitely makes getting her boogers out a lot easier. So these are definitely a great buy to have, and definitely great to have them in your diaper bag. We have trash bags, and these are a must-have. Valerie's diapers can get pretty nasty and pretty smelly, so this kind of helps to keep the smell away, keeps all the germs away, and we use the Arm & Hammer trash bags. I currently have my trash bag stored in this cute little like trash bag dispenser here. My coworker made it for me, and it is so cute. It says baby stuff happens. Isn't that so adorable? And last but not least is a baby toy, because Val loves her toys and it keeps her distracted and preoccupied while we are out and about running errands and things like that. So I always grab one from our house and put it in her bag. This one is her little shaky toy, but she loves this one. She loves books. Her favorite are keys. She loves to put keys in her mouth all day long, so we have a little like baby key set for her. Preferably 2, but at least 1 will get the job done while we are out. So guys, that's it for what's in my diaper bag. I think I kept it pretty simple and lightweight considering I am a first-time mom and this is new to me. So hope you guys did really enjoy. If you all did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.